After going through hundreds of fantastic ideas from all over the country, we are at the last leg of India's Future Tycoons Season 3. To redefine education, our esteemed jury has come together to select the best of the best.
So what we have done for today's purpose in the interest of time, top 24 teams, 4 panels, 6 teams each. So each one of you will get a chance to see 6. Okay, and then we have built this evaluation sheet. So there are 5 parameters on which we would like you to measure them.
From the top 400, our panel of judges have hand-picked the top 24 teams, each with a peculiar strategy to ideate, innovate, and therefore change the future of the Indian education system.
Amita, and she will tell you to watch this Social Dilemma.
Sir, actually I don't watch shows online.
Now you should watch that.
All the teams were judged on various parameters of being an entrepreneur. From marketing strategies to product design, they need to have whatever it takes to win the title.
In times like these, pandemic times, how does this kind of fit in?
Most of them like to study in a garden with plants around. That's when I decided an indoor garden.
Where are you planning to launch this initially, and how many users are you trying to look at it?
Starting with wants to be a part of this initiative, so the whole Amity branches and the special educators and the content accordingly. Then as we modify, more and more schools can be a part of this initiative.
Idea needs to have that layer of business element, which is I think what makes entrepreneurs different from innovators and inventors, you know.
So they are not aware of the ground reality in terms of how the actual transaction will happen, etc. But at the seed of the idea level, they have captured it well.
They are the next future of India. They need to figure out brilliant ideas, the presentations, the prototypes. I love how IFT is helping them to create prototypes.
And what we could realize is true potential, and with the help of technology, we could really listen to great ideas from the students.
I started having bulky content throughout my system.
Students with disabilities who want to go in the field of the CS.
So you will have to look at all the 3 angles, which is access, affordability, and the disposability.
It is long overdue that we address the concerns related to the education system. The pandemic has pushed us to think differently about the way we learn.
Kudos to IFT, kudos to juries, and kudos to those teams who have really made value out of India's Future Tycoons. So this envelope has 6 teams now. Nobody knows which names are captured into this. You have already walked on entrepreneurial journey. Don't let that go, and you will be India's Future Tycoons going forward.
Watch out for the top 6 ideas that have the potential to turn the tables of the Indian education system.